Hello everyone. Today is the 7th September 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balerao and today's our topic is a tree map. Tree map is a class of a java.util.treemap and the tree map class is a internally used the red red black tree based implementation. It is provide the efficient means they storing the key and value of the pairs. The tree map can contain the key and value pairs on the basis of store the on the basis of a value. Java Java tree map Java tree map can contain the value based on the key means the Java tree map can based on the value based on the key. The example of the tree map is the we can store the country code with the name of the country. This is the real example, real life example of the tree map. The implementation of the implement the tree map the implement the navigable map navigable map interface and extend to the abstract class means the tree map tree map class implement to the navigable map implement the navigable map and extend to the abstract class as well as navigable map is extend to the sorted map interface and sorted map interface are extend to the map interface. The next point is a Java map contain the unique element because the Java tree map cannot accept the duplicate element. If you added the duplicate element, then Java internally key doesn't add. Only the value of the key is update. Tree map can have a null. Java tree map cannot have a null key, but the tree map can contain the multiple null values because we can store the key value pair on the basis of key in the ascending order, and that's why there is a no there is a no null key, but the in if any key we can store the null value, then it can be multiple null values. Java tree is a non-synchronized. That's why the Java in the Java tree map class the multiple threads are working at a time simultaneously or simultaneously. Java tree map can maintain the ascending order and store the ascending order of the on the basis of the key. The declaration of the Java tree map is java.util.map tree map. Then Java tree map extend to the abstract map, implement to the navigable map and clonable and seriable as well as Java Java tree map parameters are two parameters. One is a key and second is a value. Key is a type of a key maintain by this map. We can maintain the map using to the key and value is the type of map values. There are some method are provided to the perform the sum operation on the tree map. Firstly, we discuss the constructor. There are one constructor is a tree map. It is used to construct the empty tree map that will store the using the natural sorted the natural order of the key. Then next is a method. First method is a void clear. Void clear method is used to clear the all the key and value pairs from the key. Then next method is object clone. Object clone method is shallow copy of the tree map of an instance. Then next method is add method. Add method used to add the key and value pair of the in the tree map. Remove method is used to remove the key and value pairs from the specified key from the map. That's all about the tree map. Thank you.